Yo, what is up YouTube world? It is Desired here and welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to be doing a GFX tutorial, so I'll see you in the video. Peace. First off, you're going to want to start with opening Roblox Studio. Then you can create a new base plate or just open any game. Then copy the model I have in the description and insert it real quick. And also the model comes fully set up, so you don't gotta worry about setting anything up with the model. Then you can get the Moon Animator plugin, which is linked in the description, and then insert your character like so. After you got your character inserted, you can make a quick pose. I have some posing tutorials linked in the description, so go check them out if you need some help with that. Alright, after you're done with your pose, move your character in front of the point light in the green screen box. Alright, after you got your banger character set up, go ahead and playtest the game real quick. Once you load into the game, press Shift plus P for the free cam and move the camera towards your character. Now you can take a snip using Windows Shift and S if you are on Windows, or just take a screenshot using the snipping tool. So once you got your simple pic, open up Photopea. It will be linked in the description for you to use. Once you're on Photopea, open up a project and add any dimensions that you prefer. Then, paste your image and click the magic wand tool. Then click the green part, and if it doesn't select all of the green part, you can just hold shift and drag to turn the tolerance down. You can also zoom in to remove green pixels if they're too noticeable. Once you got everything selected, you can press delete. Congratulations, you got yourself an amazing render. Now, to make a render look better, you can mess around with exposure, lighting, stroke, or inner glow. Also, you can go check out my own channel, the link will be in the description. I helped out Rafi with the voice acting in this tutorial, so it would really mean a lot to me if you could check out my channel and drop a sub to him and see if you can to me. Alright. Yo, thanks so much for watching. Remember to go out there and make someone's day. Be happy, stay happy, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.